Hello everyone, hope you're well. This is CoinsKid. Just coming over to XRP. Once again, thank you for your support. Okay, big of the CoinsKid crew. So, at the moment, I think this is a corrective phase of an impulsive move, just as this was a corrective phase of a bull market. And this is something I relayed to you, only providing opportunity for this wave up. And I think that this is providing opportunity for this wave up. But this wave up, I think, in my opinion, anyway, given the price structure I'm looking at, it's massive, it's huge, it's a vertical, okay, and there's no bias here. Obviously the invalidation is there, and I show the invalidation every single day. If we lose the January low from 2023, then my fear is wrong. But at the minute, I think that what we've got is a corrective phase here. We're going for a correction, just like this correction here came back down to all my targets, which would have got candle back test just there, boom, bolted. So I think we've got exactly the same scenario. If we take a look in the charts here, there was a god candle backtest just there that I relayed to you. We've got an ascending triangle just there, and this was my buyback zone. The confluence to that buyback zone was this god candle backtest. Now, what do I mean by god candle backtest? So I've taught you this over the years. If you look to the left on the way down or on the way up, you'll always see god candle backtest basically. So for example, on this low here, I was projecting a retracement into this god candle backtest. So what is a god candle backtest? Well, basically you create a level of support in the charts, support, and you melt through it in a god candle. So when you come down, always anticipate that this is a purchasing opportunity, because you will come back up into it to backtest the resistance where you can sell and take profit. And look at that, hit that resistance, that previous support, lost it, and a meltdown. We traced back up to it, got confirmation of it as resistance, sold at that point, and then boom, dropped in a final wave here. But I think what we've got is some kind of truncation of 5 waves, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's at this point here I said to you, wow, I'm all in here for XRP, because I think we'll get 5 waves up into the 1618, and it did. It was an absolute beautiful trade for myself and the CoinsKid crew from this low here to this high. The impulsive move, 82 cents, double tapped it, correction after, and this is something I've been looking at. So I think that this leg here, what we've got after this beautiful 5 wave move up, all of this at the moment is the same as this, but it's more compressed. So you've got a beautiful 5 wave move up here, you've got a triple top pattern with a drop, you've got a triple top pattern with a potential drop. So this is the same, okay? If we start to lose this support here, support, and we break down, then I'm buying, because we'll have a retracement just there. But if we zoom out on the macro and we take a look, I think we've got a massive move here. I think we've got some kind of huge horizontal, basically, over a long period of time. Potential A into a B, into a C, into a D, into an E, and then boom, an explosive move. This is why at this point I do envision a vertical in this chart for XRP, providing we hold the support of the high-low structure from which we've creating the 5 waves to the upside. So this is a correction back down, this is a correction back down to where you came from. Really simple technical analysis. Okay, so obviously if we start to break down below that, then all my theory that we're looking at a vertical relatively soon for XRP is completely out the window. So until that day comes, I think all of this is really simple price corrective structure basically, and all we're doing is we're tracing to this god candle backtest just there that we put in March. So we've got the ascending triangle, we broke out, and we've never backtested it, so we're slowly but surely heading towards that yellow line before the potential turnaround. Just like here, we've got the ascending triangle just there that was formed in January of 2021. We've melted through this level of resistance just there, and we eventually found support in the correction on it before turning around. So that's my theory at the moment. I think that XRP is going through a correction, possibly some kind of broadening channel here as well. So we're breaking down like this, and we look like we're surely coming down to this level of resistance, at least support, sorry, to backtest it as support, because we called up here in the resistance, got candle backtest, and never backtested it as support. So really simple, that's my buyback zone. I think that at that point, even if we wick lower, I think we'll start to see some kind of reversal here in the chart. And if we do, really simple, we've got a huge macro A, B, C, D, E, see you later, vertical in the chart. So this is why I remain bullish, because from left to right we're getting really compressed. Like I said to you, I don't think that's a bear market. I think it's a corrective phase of a bull market, as is this. I think this is a corrective phase of a bull market. 5 waves up, correction, 5 waves up, correction. It's getting really tight, looking for some kind of expansion. And again, the invalidation of such is the 5 waves from which we've come, which is the January 2023 low at around about 30 cents. So is there anything else in the in the charts at the moment that's sort of projecting this target? If we zoom in on the daily time frame, like I said to you in recent times, I think it's a bearish pattern. This is some kind of bear pennant, okay, and we'll get really close to the apex, we'll break down, have an ABC back into this leg of resistance, again a god candle back test, before we start to come back down the stairs here. So this particular bear pennant, it does have an actual target. That's the target right now that's not been met. So I'm looking for potentially 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 waves down to that target bullish divergence, build some long positions, potential wick through to my yellow line, and then that's it. You know, I think XRP may potentially bottomed before the vertical in the charts, but I do think it's an end game. I think the vertical will be really, really quick. I think it, you know, shoot up into space, and then that's it. It's game over for XRP. There'll be a big bear market that follows, and it's just a scenario that I'm looking at across the board, basically. So at the minute, I just think we're going through a correction. It's all overlapping price structure here, back down to where we came from the 5 waves in January 2023, overlapping corrective price structure. You know, a big crashing structure, basically, looking for the 5 waves down onto that yellow line, the vertical in the charts. Really, really simple. So I remain, you know, basically cautiously bullish here for XRP for its future, but at the moment I just think you're correct, and I think we're drawing down. People are getting shaken out, they're getting depressed, sort of bored, but eventually it will turn around. But we need to see Bitcoin taking off in its final leg. Please pay attention to the Bitcoin videos, because if we do see that, like I said to you, I'll be converting all my Bitcoin into XRP for the big move up that, you know, is in this particular chart. I wish everyone the most luck. Remember, I don't have a crystal ball, nothing I say is financial advice, but if we start to take out this January low of 2023 at around about 0.30 cents, then my theory that we've had an impulsive move, corrective move, looking for the expansion is completely out the window. I wish everyone the most luck. Stay tuned to the Discord for the next trade set up on XRP, okay? Hope you enjoyed that update. Stay healthy, stay strong, stay tuned. Take care, everyone. Bye-bye.